What is React Redux? 1. React Redux is a library that allows for efficient management of a React application state, using the Redux pattern. 2. It allows for the separation of concerns, with the Redux store handling application state, and the React components handling UI rendering. 3. The Redux store is a centralized location for all application states, making it easy to debug and understand the current state of the app. 4. Actions and reducers are used to update the state in the store, allowing for clear and predictable changes to the state. 5. The use of a strict unidirectional data flow in Redux makes it easy to track and understand how state changes are made in the application. 6. The use of the connect function from the React Redux library allows for easy access to the state from the store in React components. 7. The use of middleware in Redux allows for easy integration with external APIs or other functionality. 8. Redux's strict structure also allows for easier testing of the application. 9. It's an open source library, which means it's free to use and also it has a large community. 10. It's compatible with most of the JavaScript libraries and frameworks.